So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you that how you can participate in Gate.io startup feature and how to earn maximum profit from this Gate.io startup feature, which is amazing right now, and you can earn a huge return on participating in this startup. Okay, so that's all in this video I am covering about. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update from my channel. Okay, so let's talk about Gate.io. So Gate.io is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world, which started in 2013, and right now they have more than 10 million registered users. Okay, so if you don't have account on Gate.io, I have given the link in the description. So make sure to create account, and if you create account through my link, you will get extra $100 welcome bonus and free 5000 USDT test. Okay, and you can also get 10% off trading fee. So make sure to create account. After creating account, you can see this interface. Just download the Gate.io exchange from Play Store app, and here you can see different options of Gate.io. So you can see here Gate.io startup feature. So what is startup feature? So if we click on startup, you can see the basically it is the token sale token sale of different coins and tokens. Okay, so means it is similar to Binance Launchpad, where you can buy different coins and tokens at very cheap price, and if when they launch, you just sold your tokens and earn huge big profit. Okay, so this is the Gate.io startup. Means here you can buy different coins with a discount. Here you can see above. You can simply see here all active and finished. So right now there are two projects that you can in which that you can participate, and total there are 52 projects that are uh, listed on Gate.io startup feature, and these are all the tokens that are listed on Gate.io startup. So let's talk about startup ROI. Okay, so if you participate in Gate.io startup, you can see that last 5 project startups ROI. So first token is SVT, and here ROI of SVT token is 416%, and this is huge return on any coin. Okay, so this is the benefit of Gate.io startup feature. Uh, you can simply able to earn different coins at very cheap price and sell when they got listed on Gate.io. So this is the Gate.io ROI of last 5 projects. You can simply you can see all the ROI of the different coins. Okay, so now let's talk about how to participate in Gate.io startup. So here you can see that right now there are 2 projects that in which we can participate, and these projects are upcoming. Okay, so this first project Sandwich, you can see it will start in 8 days and 15 hours, and it is upcoming. And setting startup project is Meta Gaming Guild, and it will also start in 9 days, and it is also upcoming. Okay, so if we click on Sandwich startup, you can see all the details about this project and how you can actually participate in this. I will tell you. So here you can see USDT raised, how many USDT this project raised. So here you can see the contributor numbers, and you can see that this project will begin in 1 week and 1 day. Okay, so the goal of this project is 100 USDT, is to raise 100 USDT, and it will start on 8 February and it will end on 9 February. So this startup only available in for 1 day. Okay, so what you have to do to participate? Okay, so you can simply participate in with USDT. So this project support 20 USDT. So if you have 20 USDT in your sport wallet, you can simply participate in this. And if you buy a ticket of this project, you will get 1250 sandwich tokens. Okay, so a total 5000 copies to be participate in Get.io startup sale. So users must have to be VIP 1. Okay, so it is free participation in this event. So you must have to be VIP 1. So I will tell you that what is VIP 1. Okay, how to become VIP 1 so that you can participate in this Get.io startup feature. So just click on here. So just click on here upper icon, and here you can see that VIP 0. So just click on here and you can see all the details of that how you can become VIP 1. Okay, so in the last you can see in order to become VIP 1 you have to do either tier 1 scheme, tier 2 scheme, or tier 3 scheme. Okay, so you can choose any one of these tiers. Okay, so in tier 1, in order to become VIP 1, you need to trade about 1.5 BTC or equivalent USDT. Okay, so an additional 20 GT. Okay, so in the second tier scheme is the most easiest scheme that you can do to become VIP 1. Okay, so in this tier you just have to hold 100 GT tokens. Okay, so GT is the native token of Get.io exchange. So you just have to hold 100 GT tokens for only 14 days and you will become VIP 1. Okay, so right now GT price is $6. So you have to hold about 600 USDT of GT in order to become VIP 1. So this is the VIP 1, how you can become VIP 1. After becoming VIP 1, you can actually participate in this startup feature. So if you don't have VIP 1, if you are not VIP 1, you cannot participate in this event. Okay, so here are all the requirements that you can see. So when this project will begin, you just have to click on here sign in option and just submit option. Okay, so waiting this, you can see that this project is waiting right now, it is preheating. Okay, so you can see all the risk available in this, but I know there are not many risks, and you can see all the project information, project details, what is sandwich token and why they are building sandwich token. You can see all the token supplier, contractor decks, and all the details of this event. Okay, so here you can see all the countries that are not available, that you cannot actually participate from these countries. Okay, so this is the Get.io startup feature, how you can participate in this. You just have to be VIP 1. First condition is you just have to be VIP 1, and second condition is you have 20 USDT. You have to hold 20 USD or more in order to participate in this startup feature. Okay, so you can actually buy different copies. One copy will be equal to 20 USDT. So you can actually buy 5 copies, which is equivalent to $100. Okay, so one copy price is 20 USDT and you will obtain 1250 sandwich tokens. Okay, so make sure you have enough USDT in your spot wallet. So that's the procedure, that how you can participate in Get.io startup feature. So make sure to participate in this feature as soon as possible, and you can earn huge ROI on different coins. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you have any problem, any question, just comment below. I will sure to answer you as soon as possible. So that's all, take care.